So I'm seeing that you can't play DragonBall FighterZ on Fightstick. They don't support it on stick. Well, there is a will and there is a way, and I just did that on Joy the Key. Link in the description below to download it. And as you can see how I map the buttons here, do it exactly how it is on this picture. And in game, you can change your settings to your liking. Okay? So do that right now. Link in the description below. I'm being generous today, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm ready to play. I'm ready to play these DragonBall FighterZ. But yeah, this is how you do it right here. Set your controls exactly like it's on the picture. Also like to add, this is on my Mad Catz Arcade Fight Sticks Tournament Edition 2. So I don't know what type of fight stick you have, but this is the settings I put in. So your buttons can be different than mine. So, but still, do it this way and then change it to your liking. Alright? Alright, that's it. See you guys in the ring. Let's go!